Hi, have you ever wondered what is the difference between on-site and off-site SEO? You hear all these terms flying around, white hat, black hat, on-site, off-site. What does that actually mean? We could talk about SEO all day, but today we're just going to demystify what is off-site SEO. Basically, on-site SEO is all the search engine optimization that you're doing on your own website, so your own content. Off-site, you're considering everything that's coming back to your website, so all the traffic coming in, whether that's guest blog posts, articles, even events posted on other sites, anything that's coming back to your site and bringing along the domain visibility from those other sites, that's what we're talking about for off-site SEO. There's a couple of things to keep in mind that are kind of fundamental to off-site SEO. You want to do your research, get your research right, understand what are the opportunities for sites that you can link up with, and how strong are they? You know, not all off-site opportunities are created equal. You know, hooking up with a small directory is not going to give you the same visibility as hooking up with, say, Harvard or a big institution with a giant domain visibility. To learn more, I would encourage you to check out hingeuniversity.com/visibleFirm. You can find all kinds of great details on how to execute off-site SEO for your professional services firm. Good luck with your off-site SEO. Thanks for listening.